Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. I want to show you a really cute and fast card. Let's bring this up. Okay, this card it's going to be using a couple of different things. One, the stamp set we are going to be using is Prize Peony, but realistically you can use almost any set with this card. All it has to have is the saying that you need, because we are going to be using the Floral Gallery Dies that has this great dies, Just Want to Say. Now you could use this stamp set because it says, I miss you, congratulations, happy birthday, good luck, sorry, thank you, best wishes, you are lovely, I'm thinking of you. So you could use the art gallery, that is the bundle with this die. But we are going to be using Prize Peony. What else we're going to be using? I am going to be using, where is it? Oh, my basic gray stamp ink. I'm going to be using pink, petal pink, and basic gray cardstock. I am also going to be using a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of Peony Garden Designer Series paper. And I am going to be using some multi-purpose adhesive sheets. I already have it on the back. Where is it? Oh, where's my, that's the wrong one. This one, I already have it on the back of that one. Gee whiz, got a little excited there. I took that one out and I had to do it with my ink, and I didn't like that. So the first thing we're going to do, and we're going to use our stamp cut and emboss machine. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So we're going to take out the stamp cut and emboss machine. And I am just going to run, oops, sorry. Okay, where again is the Just Want to Say through the stamp cut and emboss machine. Now, the one thing I will have to tell you, when you do this, make sure you get the dot above the J. I lost the first one. Well, I had to go find it. I had to make another one up. I just cut a piece off. But you get all of this. So you've got, there's the one above the J. And there are 3 words. Why is this so dark? I don't know why you're so dark. Oh. So just want to say. Just want, where's the 2? Okay, I lost the 2 is inside, so take your little roller. And there we go. All right. Oh, and you're going to use some glue dots or some, where's my Stampin' Seal. So I'm going to fold this, and we're going to put those right up there. I'm going to fold this. And I don't know why you guys are so dark. I'm going to stick this on. And you could make up a bunch of these and then just put the what you just want to say when you need it. I need, and I hate to say this, I need a bunch of sympathy cards. I've had 2 friends that lost their father and their brother. So just want to say. Okay, then with the basic gray. Now you guys know that basic gray stains your stamps a lot more than even your black, your Memento. I've just used this on basic gray and that's it. It doesn't come off that well. And so sorry for your loss. And there we are. I really would appreciate it if you order from me. You can follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.